What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video, and this video is about a product that I got in, and I was not gonna make this video right now, but I'm doing something right now, then I think this is the perfect situation to actually test it, and this is what I'm talking about. So VOGMA, they went ahead and sent me this little air blower kind of thing, and it's supposed to be very powerful. Don't get me wrong, when I got it, because I already opened this up, I haven't used it, kinda, but it comes really well packed. Don't get me wrong, when I saw this, when they offered it to me, I thought it was gonna be way bigger than this. And when I opened it for the first time, I was like, what? There's no way. So this is a little air blower kind of thing. Comes with brushers to clean this up, a charger, is a USB-C charger, which is always good, and it comes wrapped like this. But when I opened it, it was like way smaller than I was expecting. I was expecting something bigger than this, but this thing, I kind of did a little bit of air blown with this thing, and it's really powerful. So it has less speed and high speed, long press for max mode. And it has a little power button right here. Let's see. Battery is 100%. Let me show you something real quick. So this is the low speed. It goes right away. And I've seen some people do kind of like a suction test, and look at this. That's the low speed. But I really wanted to try this out in this thing that I'm doing right now. Let me show you. So I was in the process of sweeping this up under the stairs that go to the apartment on top. And I think this is a great way to test this out. So let's see what this thing can actually do. So let's see. I'm gonna put it on high speed mode. You gotta leave it pressed for high speed. Look at that, and it's kind of like far away. This thing is way more powerful than I anticipated. And it is really good. See? So great little product. Again, it's smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but it's actually pretty powerful. And I can see myself actually using these things. Sometimes when I wash my bikes, I used to use my big blower that I have right there, the leaf blower. But this thing is more, you gotta plug it in because it uses a cord and all that. So this thing is just ready to go, rechargeable, so I can blow the bikes off and dry them up real quick. And sometimes when I go get a haircut, and it's during the day and I'm gonna do more activities and I wanna take a shower right away, what I do is hook up the compressor and do compressed air on my head to let all that loose hair go away. And I do it all the time with me and my son. But now with this thing, let's see, high speed. Oh, it's off. Gotta power off, on, and look at that. Really great product. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. It's about $56, but I really think this thing is really worth. Another thing that I can probably see myself using sometimes when I park outside and under trees, this thing gets full of debris, and you can just blow this thing off. You can keep this in your car or whatever, because again, look at this. This is so small. And I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Check the description below and let's ride. Goodbye.